In this video, we'll walk you step by step through how to make a reservation using the Parks Department's online reservation system. Whether you're booking a facility, picnic shelter, or event space, this process is simple and easy to follow. Starting on the Parks Department's homepage, look for the Reserve Now option. For additional help, you can also click on the Step-by-Step Booking Instructions link. This will take you into our online reservation system, where you can browse available spaces and make a booking. Across the top, you'll see options such as Home, Announcements, Community Buildings, Fairgrounds and Events Center, Athletic Fields, Parks, Calendar, and Login. Before making a reservation, you'll need to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password. If you can't remember your login information, click Forgot Your Password and reset it. If you're new, select Create an Account and follow the prompts to enter your contact information. This allows us to confirm and manage your reservation. Once logged in, you'll have access to your household account. Here, you can manage payments, view invoices, complete forms, join wait lists, and add additional household members. You can also view your reservation history, check the calendar, and make updates. From the homepage, you can search for available facility categories. Let's select Community Buildings. On the left, you'll see the number of facilities available in each category. Here we can view details for the 3 community buildings offered. From here, you can search availability using the calendar by month, week, or day. Dates marked with a green Reserve button indicate the facility is available. Blank dates mean the location is not available. After selecting a date, you'll see reservation details for that day, including the renter's name, event description, and group size. Enter your event details and estimate the attendance. Then select either the hourly or full-day rental option. If your organization qualifies as a nonprofit, be sure to select the nonprofit rate. In this example, we'll choose the full-day rate and add it to the cart. You'll now see your reservation listed as pending approval by Parks. Charges will only be applied once the reservation is approved. It's very important to click Go to Checkout. If you skip this step, your reservation will not be submitted. Be sure to review and agree to the waiver before continuing. Next, you'll see a list of required documents. Please note the event insurance at this stage is only an acknowledgement. Proof of insurance will be required closer to your event date. Now complete the event request form. This information will be used by park staff to prepare and send your user agreement. All fields marked with a star are required. Once complete, click Submit. All forms will now show as completed. Click I have completed all forms to proceed to checkout. At this stage, your total will show as 0. Charges will only be applied once your reservation is approved by Parks. Your reservation has now been submitted for approval. Click Go to My Account to review your reservation or to make payment once it has been approved. You will also receive an email notification when Parks has approved your reservation.